Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. My name is Ramesh. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the important topic called try with resources statement in Java. This is one of the interesting feature actually which is introduced in Java 7 actually. Let's check what are the advantages of using try with resources statement in Java. In Java, the try with resources statement is a try statement that declares one or more resources. The resource is an object that must be closed after the finishing the program actually. Basically, whenever we declare the resource, we need to close it so somewhere, right? That is the finally block. But by using this try with resource statement, it will ensures that each resource is closed at the end of the statement actually, statement of the execution in the try with resource. And this is the syntax actually for try with resource. Basically try and within the braces declare the resources here, and we need to use resources here actually in the try block. Generally this parenthesis is not available or not there in the try block in the traditional approach. And in the catch block we will declare all the exceptions. And there are some advantages of using try with resources. They are minimizes the lines of the code, and automatic resource management is the major advantage of using try with resource. No need of finally block, just close the resources actually, it will close the resources as soon as it ends the the statement of the try block. Then try with resource automatically closes it. And managing multiple lists also we can use it here, declaring by separating with comma. Okay, and let's check it in Eclipse tool how we can just do it. For that I'm going to create a new class called try try with resource demo. Okay, let's check the normal behavior how we can declare try catch block under, and we will declare the try with resource actually. Okay, this is the try block traditional approach. Okay, and here we can declare it, right? For example, I want to just I'm declaring some values here, integer I equal to 100. Okay, so and I'm just going to print it actually. Okay, this value here. Okay, and the value of I is, okay, value of I is plus I. Okay, we need to declare the catch block here, catch block, right? Okay, exception, exception e, and print stack e dot print stack trace, you can just give it. And finally you can declare this one actually. Okay, this is the finally block of code. So as we know that this is the traditional approach, try. Okay, in brackets inside this one we will put the source code, and then exception we will just add the more than one catch block also, and finally we will close all the resources here. If you are not closing, what happens is unnecessarily we are wasting the memory, so it is not good practice also, and readability also it's not good. And let's try to execute this program now. See, see here the value of I is 100, and finally block of code. Generally, as we know that irrespective of the exception is raises or not, finally block will be code will be executed by default. This is how the try catch block, try catch and finally. But if we go for see try with resource, okay, this is within the try itself we need to declare it actually. See here, scanner, assume that I am just using scanner here, equal to new scanner system dot in. I'm just trying to enter some input here. Okay, so in after that we will just declare use these resources here. Okay, use the resources. Okay, just import the scanner here. Just util one. Okay, so now we can use this catch block. Okay, exception e, and then just print stack trace e dot print stack trace, you can give it. Okay, so now what we are doing is we need to use resources, right? Okay, assume that we are entering some string actually here. Okay, sysout, enter the string here. Okay, enter the string here. Now what we are doing is, like, we will store that string, right? See scanner. Okay, here we will store that string str equal to scanner dot next line. Okay, next. Okay, this is this, we need to use it next method. Okay, and finally we are just going to store this, I mean, store this value. Okay, welcome. Okay, just put this string here. Let's try to run this program. And first of all, like, we are not closing any, like, statements and all here. See, as soon as we declare the resources and use them, we need to close all the resources in the final block, right? But in this case it is not required. As soon as it reaches the end of the the statement, the try with resource, like, automatically closes it, and it will be available for another statements actually. Okay, this is the beauty of using try with resource. And let's try to run it. See, enter the you know uh, here, just assume that I am just entering some Ramesh here. See, welcome Ramesh. Okay, this is the text we are getting it by using this try with resource. This is all about, like, the try with resource. And if you want to declare more than one, then we can separate it, like, the comma separated one, and declare more, some more, try with resources statements. The main agenda is, like, we can declare this resources within this brackets. Okay, and we can use those resources inside this block. As soon as it reaches the end of the statement, try with resource automatically closes it. And as we know that these are the advantages. To minimize the lines of code is one thing, automatic resource management is another thing. No need of finally block is the, just it close the resources immediately it reaches the, like, the end of the statement actually. And manages multiple resources, also one of the advantages of using try with resource. Okay, please, like, if you like this content, please like this video and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next video we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.